In this video, I'm going to talk about 3 ways to do the appointment with your prospect. These 3 popular ways are Skype, phone, and Google Hangouts. You may have already heard about them, so I'll share the pros and cons for each of these. Also, I'll share with you 2 tools to help you schedule your appointments. Skype allows users to communicate over the internet by voice using a microphone, by video using a webcam, as well as with instant messaging. Skype-to-Skype calls to other users are free of charge, while calls to landline telephones and mobile phones over traditional telephone networks are charged via a debit-based user account system called Skype Credit. Skype's available for PCs, laptops, phones, and tablets, and it requires an internet connection to work. The pros of Skype are that it's a free application and you just need an internet connection. Skype also offers cheap voice over IP, and what that means is that you can call a landline telephone or a mobile phone from your Skype account. US and Canada subscriptions cost $2.99 per month. Domestic pay-as-you-go plans cost 2.3 cents per minute. Because Skype requires an internet connection, sometimes you may have problems with the sound, such as noise and delay, if your internet connection is slow. So you have to make sure that your internet connection is working well and fast before you call the prospect. Google Hangouts, on the other hand, is like Skype. It works on PCs, laptops, phones, and tablets. It's also free to call someone who has a Google Hangouts account. But the difference between Google Hangouts and Skype is that if you have a Google Voice number and Google Hangouts enabled, you can receive and make phone calls. Calls from anywhere to the US and Canada are free. To receive calls, text messages, and voicemails in Hangouts, you need to have a Google Voice account, which is currently only available in the US. Same as Skype, Google Hangouts requires a good internet connection, and you'll have some sound quality issues if you have a slow internet connection, so you need to be aware of that. The last one is the phone, and it's the most popular way to do your appointments. The sound quality will always be good, so you don't have to worry about that. The only con of the phone is that it is expensive. Imagine if you live in Australia and your prospect lives in the United States of America. You'll end up paying about $26 per hour compared to Skype, where you'll pay only $1.38 per hour. The best tool to schedule appointments is TimeTrade. TimeTrade is a revolutionary appointment invitation system that will compel your customers and community to schedule time with you. By embedding a click-to-schedule an appointment button in email messages and on web pages, you'll drive more appointments with fewer hassles than ever before. TimeTrade is powered by technology from TimeTrade Systems, the leading provider of appointment solutions to some of the world's best-known organizations. If you're going to use TimeTrade for personal use, you can get it for free. And if you're going to use it for teams, you'll have to pay $99 per user per year. Another great tool is Appointlet. It works on any device and you can accept payments from your customers using Stripe. Appointlet is not free. It'll cost you $14 per month for the basic plan, but you can try it for 30 days free. I recommend you use TimeTrade because it has more features and trusted by many companies in the world.